pretty. And it also...
The red phalarope is one of the most unusual and very interesting shorebird. It reverses the usual sex roles in birds, which occurs in less than 1% of all bird species. During their breeding season, they nest in Arctic Tundra. The female is larger and more colorful than the male. She takes the lead in courtship. After mating, she lays 2 or 3 eggs and left to the male to incubate the eggs and care for the young. After their breeding season, they migrate to southern oceans, living and searching for food on open water. That's why it is rare to see them inland in most parts of North America. To see this bird, Elizabeth and I traveled to Monterey Bay Aquarium in Monterey, California. Instead of one-day passes, we purchased annual membership so we can come back as many times as we want. In June, we saw a female in breeding plumage. She was feeding in shallow water with a very unique and interesting technique. She circled to create a vortex that sucks food particles into the middle. Then she picked them up. In September, we saw either a male or female in non-breeding plumage.
Look at this guy. Oh, hi, little one. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. They're so tiny. Look at that with long legs. What do you think? Is it like bathing? What do you think it's doing? It's bathing. But then look how you can't even see water on it. Like it's dry practically. The water just rolls right off. It's a little birdie. I told you. Oh, look at that one. She's so cute.
Conclusion. 15 years ago, the Monterey Bay Aquarium had one of the most extensive and extraordinary seahorse exhibits. For 3 years in a row, Elizabeth and I visited it every other month. Every time we went there, we learned and saw something new and interesting. We also booked multiple sleepover nights for members only. Last year, we came back to visit the seahorses. However, they no longer have the seahorses exhibit for 10 years already. We were very sad and we bought the membership just because of the seahorses. Fortunately, the Phalaropes were in breeding plumage, and since they are uncommon and unusual, we were delightful to learn about their secret life and are happy to share with everyone.